Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about matte lipsticks. When I first started makeup about 5.5 years ago, mattes were not my favorite kind of texture when it came to lip products. I used to prefer cream finishes and gloss finishes, but for the past 1 or 2 years I've been really loving the look of matte lipsticks, and of course they've been a huge trend. There are lots and lots of options when it comes to matte lipsticks in the Indian market, and I wanted to do a top 10 kind of video, but I actually have 13 lipsticks that I want to talk to you about today, and these are all from brands that you can easily find like Lakme, Maybelline, L'Oreal, Faces, Colorbar and Sugar. All the lipsticks I'm mentioning today are available online at Nykaa.com, and they also have a sale going on, so if you want to buy any of these you can get them at a good discount. I'm going to put all the links to these products in the description below, so make sure you check that. So first we're going to start with some of the more affordable options. The first one I have here is the Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick. These lipsticks are absolutely amazing. They come in a really pretty rose gold packaging, and the shade range is fantastic. I think they have over 40 shades. There are lots and lots of really pretty neutrals to choose from, and I have quite a few of them. This one is Toffee Nexus. Other shades I like are Red Chaos, Scarlet Drill and Coffee Command. All of these are really nice colors for day-to-day wear. These are quite creamy. They glide on the lips quite easily, and they don't have a very dry kind of matte finish. They don't dry out the lips. They stay quite comfortable. They're not super duper long lasting because they do have a slight creaminess. I get about 4 hours or so from most of these colors. You can always blot and reapply and add a bit of powder on top if you want to make it completely smudge proof and long lasting. So the next pick is by Colorbar, and this is the Velvet Matte Lipstick. The shade I'm wearing is called Over the Top. It's a really nice dusty coral color that works for a lot of skin tones. It's a really nice color for everyday wear. Now these lipsticks don't have the kind of creamy glide that the Lakme 9 to 5 lipsticks have, but they are still quite comfortable to wear and have a really nice soft matte finish. They don't have the prettiest packaging, but you get a ton of colors to choose from, and they are super affordable. My next pick is also from Colorbar. This is the Matte Touch Lipstick, and the shade I'm wearing is called Fairy Tale. Compared to the Velvet Mattes, these are a bit creamier, a little more hydrating, and have a less matte kind of formula. As you can probably tell, it's a little creamier. It has a little bit of sheen. So for those who don't like a flat matte formula, I think these are a really good option. The shade I'm wearing is called Fairy Tale. It's a nice pastel pink color. This is the most pastel I can pull off. I think anything lighter than this would wash me out, but I think this is a really pretty color, particularly if you've done a more dramatic eye. So that is the Colorbar Matte Touch Lipstick. My next pick is by Faces, and this is the Ultimate Pro Matte Lip Crayon. The shade I have on is called Peach Me, and this is one of my favorite colors from the range. These are one of the creamiest matte lipsticks I've ever tried. They're also super pigmented, and they have a really nice clean matte finish. I think these are really good, and I would highly recommend these. These are slightly pricier compared to some of the other options I've talked about previously, but I think they are totally worth it. So this shade Peach Me is a really nice bright peach color. It's not super bright, it's not too nude, it's just like the perfect medium bright kind of color. They also have a really nice deep red called Midnight Rose, which I like quite a lot. My next pick is also from Faces. This is the Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Just Looking. This is a really nice color for everyday wear. It's not a complete flat brownish nude. It has a bit of a peachy tone which just brightens up the face. What I like about these is that they are quite creamy, but they still have a soft matte finish. They don't feel as thick and as pigmented as the Faces lip crayons, but I actually prefer this kind of thinner texture for day-to-day wear because it just feels a little more comfortable on the lips. These are quite affordable. I think they are around 500 or 600 rupees, and I would highly recommend this color for day-to-day wear. My next pick is by Revlon, and this is the Color Burst Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Sultry. This is one of the nicest pink lipsticks for Indian skin, especially for medium to deep complexions. What I like about this is that it's got a really creamy texture. It doesn't make your lips dry, it doesn't emphasize any dryness, and it's just really comfortable to wear. It also has a cooling mint sensation and a mint scent, which I personally really like. So that is the Revlon Color Burst Matte Balm in the shade Sultry. My next pick is from Maybelline, and this is the Lip Gradation Crayon in the shade Mauve. This is a really nice brownish color with a hint of pink in it. Among all the lipsticks that I'm mentioning today, this lip crayon has the creamiest texture, and yet it's not very thick or very waxy on the lips. It feels really lightweight. and it has a really good color payoff. So I've just applied a thin layer of this, and as you can see, it just gives complete opaque coverage to my lips. It's quite creamy, so it might move around a little bit. So what you can just do is blot it with a bit of a tissue right when you apply it, and it just stays put all day. I think this would make a really nice nude color for medium to deep complexions. My next pick is from the brand Sugar, which is from the same company that has the Fab bag. These are called the Vivid lipsticks. They come in a black packaging like this. They only have 4 shades in this range, but they have really nice colors. My personal favorite is this one. It's called Breaking Bear, and it's a really nice kind of medium toned pink, and I think it works really well for Indian skin tones. It's got just the right level of brightness. It adds a little bit of life to the face, but it's not too bright. I really like the formula of these lipsticks. They have a very interesting, slightly gel-like feeling, but more of a thick matte gel, if that makes any sense. You have to apply just a tiny bit of pressure when you apply these, because these are not the creamiest of lipsticks, but they do have a really comfortable matte finish. I think these are probably one of the most comfortable matte lipsticks I've tried, and they wear for a really long time. My next pick is also from Sugar, and this is the Matte as Hell Lip Crayon, and the shade I'm wearing is called Scarlet O'Hara. Once again, they have a limited shade selection. They only have 4 shades in this range, but each of those shades is really pretty. The one that I really like is this one. It's a really nice pink toned red, which I think would work across skin tones. These lip crayons are really creamy. They are super duper pigmented, and they have a really clean matte finish, but they don't feel drying on the lips. They don't sit in a heavy thick layer. They're quite thin, very lightweight, and they're super pigmented, so they last for a really long time. My next pick is by Lakme, and this is the Lakme Absolute Matte Lip Tint. The shade I'm wearing is called Pink Fantasy. Among matte lip crayons, I really like these. For one, you don't have to sharpen these. These are twist up, and they have a really clean matte finish. They're not as creamy as some of the other lip crayons like the Sugar one or the Faces one, but as a result of that, they have a cleaner matte finish, which I quite like. Now all of these shades in this range are quite bright, so the matte finish works perfectly with them. If you're looking for a nice bright matte lip color, like a nice red, a magenta, or a fuchsia color like this, I would highly suggest the Lakme lip tints. I know the title of this video says 10 matte lipsticks, but I've got 3 more to show you. This one is by Lakme. This is the Absolute Sculpt Matte Lipstick, and the shade I'm wearing is called Rose Bloom. These are slightly on the drier side, so if you have super dry lips, perhaps you could go for one of the creamier lip options, but if you want a completely matte finish and you want something that's lightweight and long lasting, the Sculpt Matte lipsticks are really good. I quite like the shade selection they have. They've got some really nice pinks, a lot of coral and orange kind of options, and some reds of course. My next pick is by L'Oreal, and this is the Moist Matte Lipstick in the shade Black Cherry. The Moist Matte lipsticks are quite popular. I'm sure you've heard of them. They're not super dry, they're not super creamy. They have just the right kind of texture that glides easily on the lips and still gives you a nice matte finish. I think the reds in the range are particularly good. My personal favorite is this one, which is called Black Cherry. It's a nice deep red. It's not vampy, it's not too bright, it's not too dark. I think it's the perfect deep sophisticated red. Now these are slightly pricier compared to some of the other lipsticks I've mentioned in the video today, but if you like the color, I'd say go for it because the formula is really good. And my last pick for this video is by Colorbar. This is the Kiss Proof Lip Stain, and the shade I'm wearing is called Hollywood. They have a creamy liquid consistency. Once you apply them, they take about a minute to dry completely to a matte finish. They are really pigmented, they are really long lasting, and if you want that completely 100% matte finish, then these are the ones to go for. So that is the shade Hollywood from the Colorbar Kiss Proof Lip Stain. And so those are some of my favorite matte lipsticks. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you've tried any of these lipsticks, do let me know in the comment section below. All of these lipsticks are available online, and I'm going to put the link below. Nykaa has the rainbow sale going on at the moment, and you can get quite a few brands at a good discount. So I'm going to put the links with the discount below. Make sure you check that. And if you shop for more than 3,500, you get a really nice pouch as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye.